Did you know that over 40% of people struggle with oily skin? It is true. If you are one of them, you know how frustrating it can be, affecting your confidence and daily routine. But don't worry, I have something awesome to share with you today. New Hyaluronic Acid Control Matte Treatment. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are talking about transforming the shiny oily look into a gorgeous matte finish with the new Hyaluronic Acid Control product. Let's see how the new hyaluronic acid treatment differs from the older one. We will also see the products available in the market that employ this new technology. Also, links are given in the description for these products. While many skincare products highlight the use of hyaluronic acid, they may not specify the size of the molecules of hyaluronic acid used. If the hyaluronic acid molecules are too large, they do not effectively absorb into the skin and deliver the hydration they promise. On the other hand, the 100% ultra-low molecular weight hyaluronic acid dives deep into the layers of the skin and locks in the moisture. The size of ultra-low molecular weight hyaluronic acid is less than 5 kDa half micro SC, also called the matte hydrator. Plus, it contains other amazing ingredients like tea tree oil, which helps to control breakouts. Witch hazel is known for its astringent properties. Some have salicylic acid that penetrates deep into the skin to prevent excess sebum accumulation, unclog and reduce pores. Together, they make a powerhouse formula that leaves your skin looking fresh and matte without that tight, dry feeling. How cool is that? Benefits of Matte Hydrator. Point 1. Ideal for oily or acne-prone skin, Matte Hydrator moisturizes without the heaviness and oil. 2. It lowers the skin oil levels. Matte Hydrator keeps skin happily nourished and reduces the need for your skin to produce extra oil. 3. Matte Hydrator absorbs fully into the skin. This leaves your skin matte on the surface and draws hydration into the skin where it is most needed. 4. Matte Hydrator keeps skin young and healthy. Use Matte Hydrator daily as a serum that plumps skin or as a light moisturizer for improved skin tone and texture. Let us see the top products in the market. Point 1. L'Oreal's Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Oil Control Serum. 2. IsnTREE Ultra Low Molecular Hyaluronic Acid Serum. 3. FORTE ATTIVO Triple Level Hyaluronic Serum. Thank you for watching this video. For more health-related videos, please subscribe to our channel.